Hey, this is TJ from Fat Boys Garden. This is what's left of my fall garden from last year. I got a late start on it. I didn't get it in the ground until, well, actually the squirrels kept eating it. And I replanted this bed about 3 or 4 times. And I think the last planting was late October, November of last year. Got some broccoli in there. Got some collards in there and got some kale in there. And I think that because of the late planting, it really didn't thrive as well as I thought it would have, because look at the kale there. That kale is starting to wither away at the very bottoms. So I'm going to get that picked today, get that taken off, and hopefully the rest of it will thrive. My collard greens, that's as big as they got. So we're going to have to, I don't know what I'm going to do. I am going to pick this broccoli though, because that broccoli is looking like it's about ready to wither away on me there. If you notice that head there, it's starting to spread out a little bit. It's not as compact as it was. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get that picked today and see what we can do about salvaging that. And you know, I just took the cage that I had around this garden. I just took that off today. I made this little cage, had 4 sides and a top on it, because I got tired of the squirrels eating everything. And that was the only way I could keep the squirrels from getting there and eating everything out of there. I planted that garden about 3 times, and all 3 times the squirrels ate it all. So we're gonna do a little harvesting here. Well, not so much harvesting, probably salvaging, and see what we can do about salvaging what's left of my fall garden. And hopefully I'll be giving you an update on my spring garden here soon. I planted a few things already. We're gonna see how that's gonna work out. Well, this is TJ from Fat Boys Garden.